guys! Oh! You about scared me to death. I was just practicing my videos. About tricks. Okay, so do you know how many spy stuff this normal gun has? No. So the first thing we're going to be looking at is that this comes off, and you can see it. It's a sniper. Little hole. Right, I'll show you the second spy thing. So this, you think it's garbage. Well, look through this. You gotta think, like, when you know you're gonna hit him in the head. So, I'm gonna try Mickey. Here we go. Here's Mickey. Look, I got him in the head. I got him in the head. So, say if I wanna. Well, you don't do it this way. You don't do it this way. But you can only do it on video. Why does that look so shiny? Doesn't look shiny to me. Is it sunny, guys? Because that looks so shiny. Doesn't it not? It looks like a beautiful sunny day. Okay, it's not. So, right. Let's go on to the last spy thing. Now, these little dots. It's a spy camera. You can see stuff. See stuff through it. Okay, right. I need to hold it from that. So you can see stuff through it. Right, should I put this to the test? I'm going to go very far away, and I'm going to see if I can see Moo and Mickey. What are you doing, Daddy? Nothing. What's nothing? I don't know. Right. We can... That is through there. That is through the gun. That's the trigger right there. And that is the... Well, that's like the third spy thing. You can look through that pretty easily. See the Mickeys? Let's see if you can see the Mickeys. Final test. Oh, bang on right. You can see the Mickeys. You can see the Mickeys. You can see the guns as well. But that's all for this video. Comment down below if you want to see some more spy stuff. But I got this from the fun fair, by the way. So, go to the fun fair. Try and just trash your gun. Well, there's 3 things why you shouldn't trash it. Well, like... Oh, there's another one. Can you actually see through that one? It's that little radiator thing. Hear that noise? That sounds like where it comes from. So if I block this bit, and this. Okay, right. Let's go to the thing that I saw. So this. How good's that? But I think the best thing for like spying on your neighbors is like this. Yeah, so that's the trigger. And look at that. Look, you can see everything. So I know this gun was so trashed. And that. So I'm gonna go through the 3 things again. So the first way is this. This, so you make a little sniper and sort of see through it. Let's snipe the Mickeys. We're putting all the Mickeys to the test. Okay, right. I'm gonna do it so you guys can see the Mickeys. Right. The Mickeys are through here somewhere. If I just get the right angle, you see the Mickeys. But there's the Mickeys. You can easily see them. But That's the sniper bit, by the way. So, the second way, which I think is the best way, you can just see when people are doing that. So if you have 2 guns of these, get it right now and do that. And leave your gun like right there and use your gun to spy on somebody to see if they steal your gun. What an idea! But this is more spy, which you can like see when you can hit him in the head. Because there's like a little target. Let me just do this with Mickey again. So there's the target. Okay, so I'm gonna aim it at Mickey. Let's see. I got him in the arm, but it depends where you want to shoot anything you fire at. That's not a very high chance that you know you're gonna hit somebody. But it takes the time. So I'm just gonna connect this gun back together, guys. So comment down below if you want to do this to Stevie. This will be so funny. Okay, right. Okay, all I have to say is see you later, guys. Smash the like button. Hope you have a nice weekend. I just hope you have a great day, basically. And make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. And see you later. Bye.